Namaste everyone, this is Madhuri here from Madhuri Yoga, and today we will learn how to do Parvatasana with proper alignment. Before we begin, if you haven't already, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So we will begin Parvatasana by coming on our knees and palms. So what is the ideal distance to keep our palms in front of our knees? Our knees should be exactly the hip width. Now keep your elbows really close to the knee and take one palm distance in the front and come on your knees and palms. This is the ideal way to have proper alignment. Now if you're ready over here, tuck your toes in and lift your knees up. Make sure you're keeping your feet together. Now the back needs to be straight. How to straighten our back? You need to push your head between your shoulders and try to look at the belly button region, your navel area. Once you feel complete, slowly bring your knees down and relax. So in the initial stage, probably you may not be able to keep both the heels on the floor. So how would that look? When you're here, you may be over here without being able to touch both the heels on the floor. So what to do in such a situation? You can try to walk a little bit forward and bring your heel down, or try to alternatively touch your heels and make a habit out of it, and eventually your heels will go down. It is very essential in this asana to keep your back straight. Your back should be straight with your spine straight and shoulders engaged. Bring your knees down and relax. This asana is very helpful in relaxing. So if you are having any kind of anxiety or any kind of stress, and as well as migraines, if you do this asana, if you practice this asana regularly, you will see a lot of difference. And this asana is very helpful to straighten your back, strengthen your shoulders, as well as open your hamstring muscles. I hope you found this video informative. Be kind, be grateful, be present. Happy practice.